The male satin bowerbird is one of nature's most peculiar artists, obsessed with collecting shiny blue objects to decorate his bower, a ground structure made of twigs used to attract females. Only males do this, and it's not a nest, it's a stage for seduction. The females judge the quality of a male's bower in his collection, which can include berries, feathers, bottle caps, pens, even bits of plastic or glass, as long as they're blue. Scientists believe the color blue signals health and genetic fitness, making it irresistible to females. Males spend countless hours stealing, arranging, and polishing their treasures, constantly improving their displays to outshine rivals. Their fixation is so intense they'll risk entering another male's territory just to snatch a prized blue gem. The brighter and bluer the collection, the higher the chance of impressing a mate.